Guys, ang OTD namin ni Zoe for the day. Naka-Pikachu siya. And ito yung nanay.
Why is it you don't want to talk Manang Laika anymore?
I do, but like I don't wanna get reminded of it.
You don't want to be reminded of Manang Laika.
I don't wanna be reminded that she left.
That she left?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, TGIF. Nako, medyo maulan po kaya tayo ay naka-jacket at parang tayo ay empleyado ni Target. Updated na po ba ang lahat? Okay guys, sa mga marites. Yung lola nyo naka-hit ng goal. Guys, naka-goal ako kasi kahapon may last minute na umorder. More than $3,000 yesterday kaya mayroon tayong pang car allowance. Talaga naman yung mga nag-worry ako na super stress ako. In the last minute, mayroon tayong ganyan. So far, hindi tayo pinapabayaan. Nandito pa rin tayo. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin nating trabaho. Okay, guys. Alam nyo, pinutulan ko yung buhok ko. Nag-bangs po ako, guys. Kasi gusto kong takpan to. Kaso, nung pinutulan ko na, ayaw makisabay kasi may pala ako dito, parang may bubunan na parang pag ganun yung isa, pag ganito yung isa. So hindi ko siya maganyan, no? Ang pangit. Kaya ganyan muna tayo. Tsaka I'm putting paggabi kasi naglalagay ako ng para tayong may kalbo. Paggabi kasi naglalagay ako ng ano ba yung oil na ginagamit ko? Meron akong oil na ginagamit ko sa mukha ko para na iwas tanda, anti-wrinkle guys. So nagpupunta po siya sa hair ko, kakawash ko lang ng hair ko kahapon, nakikita ko kinabukasan, ayan na naman yung oil napupunta na naman dyan sa hair natin. So ayan guys, today Friday, kami po ay magdi-dinner sa Fogo de Chao kasi birthday ng anak ko kahapon. So, mag-Fogo de Chao kami ngayon. Ay, tagal na. No. Kasi may pera yung anak ko, guys. May pera siya. Ayan. Ano pa yung nilalagay ko na oil? Naglalagay ako, guys, ng oil ng anti-wrinkle at saka kasi para akong stress parate. So, I put some oil here and oil here. Then, mga dito natin para na yung mga laughing lines natin. Hindi. Andito kasi parati ako nakasimangot sa pagka nagtatripe ako. Mayroon ako mga lines. Ito, yung 11 line natin dito. Para na siyang natatanggal. Yan. Iwas simangot muna tayo. At saka yan lumalabas na po yung mga wrinkles natin dito. Naka! Tumatanda na talaga tayo. So, medyo mayroon akong konting relief kasi oh my god, biro mo, car allowance ko mawawala pag hindi ako naka-goal. So ayan, kamusta po kayo dyan sa mga sa taga Florida, Georgia, Carolina? Sana po ay you are safe. Yeah, I was watching the news yesterday, last night, and in the morning kasi marami tayong mga kaibigan dyan. Sana po ay safe kayo. I'm hoping na kung mayroon po mga distraction at saka kung kayo po ay binaha, I feel you guys kasi alam ko yan. Tomorrow, Saturday, kukunin na naman si Zoe ng tatay niya. Every other week na naman tayo. So, wala si Zoe dito. Mamimiss ko na naman siya. Pag wala si Zoe, wala akong energy. Yeah, wala ako. Punta natin siya sa room niya.
Actually, why is it you don't want to talk Manang Laika anymore?
I do, but like I don't wanna get reminded of it.
You don't want to be reminded of Manang Laika.
I don't wanna be reminded that she left.
That she left? You're not gonna see her in December?
Yeah, but it's gonna be a long time.
You miss her? I'm sorry, baby. Come hug mommy. Come hug mommy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my lovey-dovey. Oh my lovey-dovey. Oh, hey.
Hey. Hey. Do you know how old is Manang Angel? Do you know how old is Manang Angel? Huh? Do you know how old is Manang Angel?
20.
20! Yeah, what we gonna do tonight? We're gonna eat in
all you can eat restaurant.
in all for the chow.
Everybody wanted to come with when I said that.
You said? You really?
Yeah.
Because everybody.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Hey, what's your plan tomorrow? Sit down.
No.
Your dad will come and pick you up.
Yeah, but I still don't know.
You still don't know?
I don't know. Is swimming pool open?
No, pool are closed.
Why?
They are closed because it's already fall.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Zoe? Zoe?
I want to play in a pond.
How much do you love Mello?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
But you're not playing with Mello though.
Cause I don't normally play with her, but like sometimes I play with her when you love sleeping. Like whenever I'm alone, I pet her a lot.
You pet Mello a lot?
Like one time, it was night. You were up and you were sleeping. I was like rubbing Mello like crazy.
Really?
Yeah. And I even let her go on my bed. I actually want her on my bed.
You want her in her bed?
Yeah, but I closed my door.
Do you know you have grown so much?
Yes.
Since from you don't want to sleep in a room alone until you're sleeping in your room alone with closed doors.
I
Closed
never
doors.
I never leave my door open unless I'm like super duper tired.
What you learned so far in school?
Oh, so I've learned 2 members. Also, wait a minute, I gotta show you my test results.
Oh,
It's
test
great.
results.
It's great.
Okay.
Trust me, I read it.
Okay.
It said I'm better than 98% of the students in district and in America.
Okay, there's a backpack. It happened again. You're like your percentile is also higher than everyone else.
Yeah. Look over here. Look on. Okay, so wait. Never mind. So look at this.
So where's the matrix? Oh, it's different.
It's different because we didn't use the same testing system as last time.
Eto guys, bantay bata tayo ngayon kasi si Zoe nagba-bicycle. So, kailangan kong pumirmi dito sa labas para tingnan po siya. At ayan si Melo, oh. Ayan, nakatingin. Labi-dabi! Nice! So, napaka peaceful. Napaka peaceful po ng neighborhood kung saan kami. Yan, walang mga taong lumalabas. Gabi mo na sila makikita. Kasi kadalasan mga tao dito tigdadalawang trabaho. Ako gusto ko mag part-time kaso walang may mag-aalaga kay Zoe. Hindi pwedeng iwanan mag-isa sa bahay kaya para kang grounded. Ay, naku po. Pag ako uwi ng Pilipinas, siguro magba-buy and sell. Buy and sell ang gagawin natin sa Pinas. Mag-online selling. At siguro tatayo ng grocery store. Okay guys, teka lang. Tayo po ay maghahanda kasi magda-dine in po kami ngayong gabi. Pupunta po kami ng Fogo de Chao. At ito po ang ating OTD for the night. Diba? Ganyan tayo today. So, maglalagay tayo ng kilay. And then, magmamaskara. And, lagay tayo na blush on. Ganyan lang gagawin natin, guys. And then, mag-lipstick tayo. No, hindi ako mag-lipstick. O, siguro nga, mag-lipstick ako kasi gabi. After this. So, it's been a while since nakapag-Fogo de Chao kami. It was, I think, Nevada pa. Yeah, Nevada pa yung Fogo de Chao namin na experience. So, babalikan. Alam nyo, napapansin nyo, foodie po kami. So, lahat po ng mga pagkain, tinatry namin. Pagkain ng budget. Yeah, life is short, guys. You know, reward yourself. Kumbaga. Yeah. Pag parati mong bibilangin yung pera mo, mas lalong magne-negative. Napapansin nyo yan? Pag lalo ako nagpa-budget, mas lalong kinukulang. Kaya ginagawa ko, go with the flow. Pag wala ng pera next week, antay naman ang sahod. Kaya na lang. Ay. Dati budget ako ng budget, naka-ano pa yan, naka-Excel. Then, mas lalong negative ako. Negative for the month. Kaya, hindi na ako alam ko lang yung fix na binabayaran. Yan. Pagka fix yan, every month, talagang nakalaan yan. Sakto ba yung kilay ko? Hindi ako marunong magkilay. Sa totoo. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung mataas to o hindi. Basta kilay. Basta tayo ay nakikilay. Okay na sa akin yan. Tama ba? Kasi eto, napapansin ko tong isa. Para siyang malapad. Ganyan talaga ang kilay ko. Di ba ganyan? Kahit na suso natin, hindi pantay. Hi! Sa mga nagtatanong pala kanina, sabi ko naglalagay ako ng oil. Bio oil pala ang nilalagay ko paggabi. Nilalagay ko lang siya dito, oh. Dito. And then dito sa may mga wrinkles. And then, mamasas ko siya. Tatap ko siya ng paggabi. Nagka-absorb po siya sa skin. Then, kinabukasan pagising ko para siyang fresh tingnan. So, bio oil lang talaga ang nilalagay ko sa mukha ko paggabi. And, yan guys. Kasi napapansin ko mayroon akong wrinkles. Bakit no? Pag may wrinkles ka na. Yan. Then, mag-tutoran tayo. Baka mamaya yung kilikili. Baka mamaya maggagano'n ka ng waiter mo. Yan nangingitim pala. Ay. Tatawag ka ng waiter, diba? Kailangan na. Ayan. So, ganito ang ating look for tonight. Oh, mas maganda pa tayo sa birthday celebrant. Paminsan-minsan lang tayo magbibihis. Kaya, pagbigyan nyo na. Ayan, guys. Ready na ako. Dadatingan ako ng mga 6 o'clock. Then, aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng Oakbrook. Doon po kami magpo-Fogo de Chao sa Oakbrook. Okay, see you there. What's your dress?
Huh?
Your dress is a Pikachu! Nice! Ayan guys! Ang OTD namin ni Zoe for the day. Naka-Pikachu siya. And ito yung nanay. I like your dress, lovey-dovey. I like it. Let's brush your hair. Brush your hair. Nagbabawas tayo ng bell-bell. Wala tayong masyadong bell-bell. Windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every
every scene took delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high.
Yeah?
What can you say about your dinner?
It's delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah, and I figured out a trick. In all-you-can-eat restaurants, all you have to do is like, when you get full, don't end it. Rest of it so you can gain hunger and then eat more. That's a trick.
Birthday girl.
It's an open road, wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene took delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene took the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Ito po yung decoration ni Zoe para po sa kanyang Halloween. Kasi wala pa kaming Halloween decorations. Ayan o. Yung tiyanak. And then, sinampay niya po dyan. Ang leg na yan. And then, talaga itong batang to. Yan ang nakasulat. Green lang. Kasi pang Christmas lights na sana namin yan. Sabi niya it works para sa Halloween. Tingnan mo yung anak ko. Bukas bibili kami ng Halloween decorations. Ayan guys, nakauwi na po kami. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng ating channel. Thank you sa mga support niyo po. Good evening. Bye!